Hey there, and welcome to this episode. And we're gonna talk about fitness in this one. So, fitness motivation, fitness nutrition. So, after a workout, this is for those of you who are not dieting, okay? Not dieting. But if you are dieting, you could just track this, all right? But I'm not really tracking this to the T. All right, so I'm gonna do 1 scoop of BCAAs, the right amount, 3,500 leucine. Okay, don't quote me on this, but I believe it's around 3,000, right? Or it could be 3,500 for the amount of leucine that you need a day for muscle preservation. This is just 1 scoop. I haven't even had a real meal. But what I like about BCAAs, branched chain amino acids, is that they will get to your system right away. They're already broken down. When you eat and your body starts digesting your food, and you feel like a little groggy and slow, is because all the blood has rushed to your stomach to begin the digestion process. With this, you don't get that grogginess. Okay? You don't get that grogginess and it goes straight to your muscles. So this is very important after you train. Okay? Very fucking important. If you're taking pills, you can take pills that are BCAA. Just make sure it's the right amount, to 3,000 to 3,500 leucine. Okay, that's what you need for the muscle recovery process. So the camera just moved because my cat is trying to come over here. He sees me. I'm about to eat. He's like, what are you eating? What are you eating, bro? Let me get some. Let me get some. Show me some of the gains over here. No, this is BCAAs, baby. And here's a little secret. Whoa. All right. So my cat dropped it. Like I said, he was on there. So let me set this back down. Set this back down. All right. I think it's good. All right. Here's a little secret. Drink sugar. This is lemonade. So I mixed it with lemonade right after the workout. 1 serving, well, this cup is around 8 ounces, is 26 grams of sugar. You need around 70. If you're an athlete or you train consistently, you're considered an athlete. Everybody should be an athlete in the world. Everybody should be a fucking athlete because you need to work out every day. Get the vibration up, get your mood up. The world is just perspective. Circumstances are just circumstances. Imagine you have your circumstance and you're gone. You're not even thinking. It's just a circumstance. It just is what it is. It is our opinion that makes it, oh, it's good, or oh, that's evil, that's bad. It's our opinion. The circumstance. When you work out, your perspective changes. You get to I can do. I am strong. I am healthy. I am powerful. So you have that mentality. That's why everybody should be an athlete. Same with taking deep breaths. I like the 4-6-6 method. Breathe in 4 seconds, hold it 6 seconds, and exhale 6 seconds. So if you can't bust down and do an exercise routine, take deep breaths, all right? So this is my post-workout routine, and then I get into a meal. I could probably have some fruit or some fruit to complete the 70 grams of protein, of sugar, the 70 grams of sugar, and then I do about 25 to 50 grams of whey or chicken, right? Some real good quality protein. Whey is real protein. It's milk. It's just been, refined. So scientists found when they were studying milk, they found out that when they when they strained it and then what was left of the the hard stuff, like the curd, they looked at it like, what is this shit? They looked at it at a microscope, and they're like, okay, let's take a look at analysis. Okay, hey, this is protein. It's pure protein, and that's how they created whey protein. Always look at the ingredients. If there's like a gazillion ingredients, you know it's not good, because they're putting all kinds of shit in it. Look at here for my lemonade. Filtered water, pure cane sugar, which is the white sugar, that you get in that box, or that you get at a restaurant when you put sugar into your coffee and stuff and shit like that. And lemon juice from concentrate. That's it. Lemon juice from concentrate. That's it, man. So what was that, like 4 ingredients? All right, so lemon juice and it's a lemon juice from concentrate and natural flavors. Okay. That's what you get when you don't have a real lemons, right? You have to get it from concentrate. I forgot what it is from. Concentrate. I think it just means that it's lemons that were processed. That's what it means. But it's better than having an essay of ingredients. Okay. So this is my post-workout. I have my coffee here for my intro workout. During the workout, and have this honey that I take with during the workout. So, of course, do your own research on sugar and how it helps you with your athletic performance and restoring your glycogen levels. That's what I'm doing here. I'm restoring the glycogen with the lemonade. And I am recovering my muscles with the branching amino acids. And it's not over yet. I still got a meal. Okay? This is just my post-workout, like immediate post-workout meal or supplement. Hope you like this. I'll put the links to this extend because I don't think they have this. I got this from Walmart. It's not expensive, like $2, $3. So I'm sharing these types of videos because I see that a lot of people are watching my athletic videos, my athletic type videos, and my supplement videos that I do reviews on. So hope you like this one. Till next time, peace. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it. Regardless, I'm still gonna do them for you. I love you. Peace.